Now let's start with chapter number 11, soil erosion and conservation. In this chapter, we will study about types of soil, what are the different layers of soil, causes of soil erosion and soil conservation. Now, what are the different layers of soil, what are the agents of soil erosion and ways of soil conservation you have to write. After completing the chapter, you will write yours. Now, many plants grow in soil since plants gives us oxygen, food, and soil is very important for जो big pieces of rocks होता है वो टूट जाता है, break down हो जाता है by heat, cold, wind and water into smaller and smaller. Now we have different types of soil. Basically, we have divided into 3 types depending upon the size, feel and color of the soil body. Gravel consists of tiny stones and does not hold water. It has gap between the stones and that allow water to pass easily. But water क्या करता है? Easily pass करता है. We have sand, clay and humus. Sand, finer than gravel, water passes easily through sand as part. They are extremely fine. Water does not flow freely through this and clay becomes very heavy and quite sticky when wet. ये water को absorb करती है. Humus ये dark color substance होता है जो आपके dead remains of plants and animals से form होता है. ठीक है? Loam is a mixture of soil that consists clay, sand and humus. It is usually very good for growing. ये बहुत अच्छा होता है plants को grow करने. Now layers of soil, we have different layers. We have topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. Soil is made up of tiny bits of rock, dead plants and animals, water and air. The topmost layer of soil is called topsoil. यहाँ पे few inches thick होता है, dark in color होता है, ये soft और crumbly होता है. It contains air for plant roots and it is chiefly made up of clay, sand and humus. Humus nourishment the plants well. So this is the best fertile part of the soil. The root of the most plant grow in this layer and the layer just below the topsoil is called subsoil. ये बहुत ज़्यादा hard होती है, light in color होती है और grey और red होती है. It is made up of sand particles and pebbles. Only trees and small plants have roots जो क्या करते हैं nourishment देते हैं. ठीक है, it does not nourish plants like topsoil. Layer just below the subsoil, bedrock होता है और जो upper part होता है उसमें stones होते हैं. ठीक है, and lower part is rock जो non porous होती है. And rain water that passes to the underground, rain water जो underground होता है, वो pass करता और collect कहाँ हो जाता है? Bedrock. Many small live in the soil and they make soil loose by passing air and germination. The waste and the remains of these animals, what they produce humus. And bacteria and fungi are also present and they help in decay of dead animals. Activity है आपकी humus soil erosion की that you have to read only. Now, what are the causes of soil erosion? Soil erosion by wind. The strong wind blow करती है away the topsoil. It happens mostly when land is left empty और यहाँ पे plants grow नहीं करते. It is common in desert and semi-desert regions. यहाँ पे strong winds blow most of the year. Now, soil erosion by water. जो flowing water है वो क्या carry करता है? Topsoil with it. It's mostly seen in hilly area and water rushes down the slope and washes down the soil. और ये soil को unfit बनाता है for cultivation. Then we have soil erosion by human activity. Apart from natural forces, there are various human activities that have also resulted in soil erosion. Like deforestation, मतलब cutting down of trees. आप पेड़ को काट रहे हैं, इससे क्या हो रहा है? Soil erode हो रहा है. Roots of trees bind the soil firmly and do not allow easily washed away. When trees are cut, soil becomes loose और वो क्या करती है? Easily washed away होता है. We have flowing of hill slopes. देखो जब deep flowing हो जाती है लैंड की, हिल स्पेस स्लोप्स की, इससे जो सॉइल इंक्रीज हो जाता है, रिस्क ऑफ सॉइल इरोजन. फिर ओवरग्रेजिंग, भाई एनिमल्स ओवरग्रेज कर रहे हैं लैंड, उससे भी क्या होता है? सॉइल इरोजन हो जाता है. देन सॉइल कंजर्वेशन. सॉइल इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट नेचुरल रिसोर्स. ठीक है, जो प्रोसेस है सॉइल फॉर्मेशन का वो बहुत ही ज्यादा क्या है? स्लो. इट इज नॉट इजी टू रिप्लेस सॉइल. द इफेक्ट्स ऑफ सॉइल इरोजन आर वेरी हार्म. और जो इफेक्ट है सॉइल इरोजन के वो बहुत ज्यादा हार्मफुल है फॉर एवरी प्लांट और एनिमल. देन नीड टू प्रोटेक्ट द सॉइल फ्रॉम इरोजन. इसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? सॉइल कंजर्वेशन करना पड़ेगा. तो हाउ यू विल डू? प्लांटिंग ट्रीज एंड ग्रास. ज्यादा से ज्यादा आप पेड़ लगाएंगे, डिफॉरेस्टेशन करेंगे. What it do? It binds soil firmly and it is not easily blown or washed. The plants also decrease the speed of wind and water, so trees should be planted around the field. To keep the land covered between two crops and grasses, creepers should be grown. आपको creepers को grow करना है. Making bunds, dams and embankments. Bunds prevents rainwater wash away the topsoil. They should be built around the part of soil. farmland होता है उसके अराउंड आपको बनाना है, and dam water can be supplied to water starts area to irrigate the field. And rivers where water strikes against the bank, they control the flow of river and prevent it from carrying away the topsoil. और वो prevent करते हैं for carrying away the topsoil. Now taking terraces on hillslope. To make the flow of water slower at hillslope, terraces should be made along the hillslope. Farming is done on these terraces. Slow speeds of running water reduce the erosion. देखो जो slow speed है running water वो क्या करता है? Erosion, जो soil का erosion को reduce. Hope you understood. I have told you about the soil erosion and how we can preserve soil by planting more and more trees in backwind banana. That's all for today. Hope you understood the chapter. Thank you.